Newsall here. I've got a Metabo KGT300. The drive belt. The drive belt. Here is the drive belt. Come on, focus. Conditech HTD 081105, made in Germany. Same as the saw. It's been a nice saw actually. If it a bloody focus, there you go. Double compound, swings that way, and it goes 45 over 45 that side, and 60 on the other. So it's been quite good. But right, I've loosened to get this to get to the drive belts. I've loosened this off, and the two there and there. This comes off. And then what you got is you got two bolts there, one there and one underneath. And with a good wiggle that will come off. There's one belt from here to here, right, which is of this one, and there's one behind it what drives the blade. So this, the motor spins this, which in turn there's just another pulley behind there, toothed pulley, what goes the other way, obviously, because this tooth is, you know, it's just average. But I've got no trouble with that turning. The bearing seems nice. There was a bit of gummed up sawdust in each of them slots, and this bit behind it, if I can get in there, can I get in there? You can just see that. That's full of gummed up shit as well. And unfortunately, it's nasty. Oh, it ain't because of that either. So yeah, if there's a bearing in there or something, it's gone. But which is on the other side. There's a couple of bars in the way to get to it. See if you can make out the. Well, I'm going giddy myself. There's two bars there. There's a silvery one just in that gap, which covers possibly an Allen key bolt. I haven't got there yet. And the horrible thing is, this is meant to have a little peg on it. It's probably one of the worst designs. The worst design I've seen about this saw. Should have a little peg, and I mean, when you want to undo the blade, yeah, take the blade off, you know, this lever pushes down and the little peg's meant to go into a corresponding slot in the end of that. And so I've got a bit of welding to do. Bit disappointed with that design actually, that part of the design. And a little disappointed here. There seems to be quite a fair bit of sawdust in this area, which, well, I don't like. Yeah, there's a few holes where the blade goes, and you know, maybe I'll try and think about putting a tube araldite in a bit of PVC pipe, if it doesn't get in the way of the fan belt, to make an airway through here on the other side, an airway, yeah, so the air can still flow. It'd be easier to clean out, and it isn't going to get in here and gum all the fucking blades up, excuse my French, gum all the cogs up. A little disappointed with that part of the design. I mean, I've had this yonks now, blimey, I've had this about 8 years. Still goes strong, except for the belt. Oh, I better show you the belt. Where's it gone? I've thrown it in the van. Well, stupid. No, here it is. Yeah, I've showed you the belt, haven't I? It's torn. So I've got to get that, try and work out a way of getting this off. Maybe I'll use the grinding tool and drill a couple of holes in here, so that at least in this piece, drill a couple of holes so I can get the grinding tool in there, you know, like the 2 holes, so I can at least get this blade off. That might be the simplest way, because to be honest, I did do it up quite tightly last time, and if I can't get me grips on here to any extent, then I'm going to have to think of an alternative in getting something in there. I don't want to break any of this, getting something down in there to get that slot. I don't want to break any of this casing, obviously. Maybe I should just try banging my head against the wall a few times, eh? Right, YouTube, that's me chop saw with a table on the top. I might do another video when I find out what's going on in there, why that feels so grotty. There's a definite lump in there, which is no good. That's why it's broke, isn't it? Mind you, my maintenance is, well, you can see by my hands, not always the best. Right, that's it then. Bye then.